Hello, I'm Emma Kempton and I'm the VP of Account Management at Clausematch. I'm here to talk about our policy portal for attestations. To create a policy attestation in Clausematch, you simply need to find the document you want users to attest to in the library of the policy portal, add a title, add a deadline, and select users who will be attesting. Once this step is complete, a new attestation will be added. Email notifications will prompt users to complete the attestation. Once the policy attestation has been created, employees can attest a document in a few easy steps. From the policy portal, employees can find the document that they need to read and attest to by either clicking straight from the notification email or in the Pending Attestations tab. Once they find the document, they can click on the document name to open it. After having read the document, they can ask any questions they may have on a particular document or paragraph. Once they are happy with the information, they can scroll to the bottom and tick the checkbox. I agree that I have read and understood the information, and press confirm. Graphic reports available on the policy portal provide an overview of the attestation status for the entire organisation or for the selected documents and employees. Clausematch's policy portal provides three key benefits for organisations: a single current version of all documents in one location, an intuitive platform for employees to access and find documents, and a straightforward process where attestations can be performed and evidenced.